Got it. Oh, there you go. Okay. And a big fart. Did you guys hear that? Right there. So I have Kelly here. She's the founder of Rising Star Horse Rescue. This is my third or fourth time here. I love this place, and it's also pretty close to where I live, so it's nice to come out. And who do we have here today?
This is Lion.
Lion, like a Lion King?
Like a Lion King.
And tell us about Lion.
Lion is one of our program horses. I really have no complaints about him. This is a really lovely, lovely horse. He does not do flying changes. He'll change in front, not behind. We've always wondered if something bothered him behind. Mm-hmm. You have not seen this horse before.
No, I never saw this horse. What was his background?
This horse was a jumper as well.
A jumper.
Yep, he was a jumper.
Competed a little bit, right?
He did, and Belgian warm blood. And again,
he's a Belgian warm blood. And how old is he approximately?
I think he's 13 now.
13, okay.
And we've had no sound issues whatsoever. We've had this horse for, 3 years now. And he's super, super good, a good guy. Very social. He's probably the most social horse in the barn. We actually had to move him because he was out causing issues. You know, the horses can hang their heads out.
I like his nose. That's what I feel right now. You know? That might have been too much. He's like, that was too much. All right, can I work with you today? I won't kiss you anymore. Maybe. I'm not going to promise, but I probably won't. Can we work together today? It's okay to get started?
Yeah.
All right, good. All right, let's just check your pole. I'm going to put my finger in here just because I want you to be distracted a little bit. I got 2 fingers in there, but I want to feel that pole for a second. You know, and just kind of distract you a little bit. And it's kind of relaxing for them to chew like this too. It kind of opens this up. But I can feel the pole moving under my fingertips while I do this. And, oh, it just cracked. Did you hear it crack? Got it. All right, good. I just adjusted the pole. Made that big cracking noise. What are you doing in there? How's your teeth look? Good. All right. Good. Come on. I'll leave you alone now. All right, let's just check in now. This one right here I'm going to get 2, 3, 4, 4. Got it. Made a big crack. Let's see, he's licking and chewing on that one. That's a good one. We'll let him calm down a little bit, but it's a good release though. So he had right here in his mid-neck on the lower right, there you go. I'm going to take this front leg, okay? May I have that, please? Can I take that? Thank you. That's a healthy foot. Look at you. You got good feet. Here's the sulcus, the frog right here, and the sole of the foot. We can't see the walls because he's got a shoe on, of course. But I'm just pulling away some of the dirt. And that's okay. We're just taking a look. The balance and the firmness is just nice. Good, you got healthy feet, right? Sorry to get dirt on you, but let's just see if I can get a little release here. Ooh, there it goes. Feel that shoulder. I'm going to lift a little on your shoulder, okay? Let your head come up a little bit. Ooh, that was good. Let's bring your leg out this way. I'm going to just stretch it for a second. So, ooh, did you guys hear that? Little crack. Nice big crack. Ooh. There you go. Give him a second. Okay. May I have this leg? Ooh, nice. Let me have this. I'm going to just hold it for a second. There it goes. Do you hear a crack? Boom, it just let go. Okay, good. That's done already. What are you thinking about? Good release. Relax, right? Top line is relaxed. Coming down the back. Just checking all the spinuses. I'm going to do a little bit of a tuck here. Kind of look at this top line right here. Watch me lift this line. I'm going to lift this line by hitting this reflex. There it comes up. Right there. I'm tired. I can't do anymore. Did you like that? Want me to do it one more time? Okay. Is that enough? Or should I do it one more time? One more time? One more time. Should I stop? Or should we do it one more time? Just one more time. Let's just do it one more time.
Look at his upper lip.
All right, enough. All right, let's look at your back leg. May I? This leg. Oh, there you go. They're cracked. Okay. And a big fart. Did you guys hear that? Did you hear that release? That flatulence?
Yeah.
I'm not taking credit for it.
No.
So we are done, I think. All right, we did a little everything. What was your favorite part? Was it when I scratched you? All right, thanks everyone.
So.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. It'd be great to continue making these videos for you guys in the future. I'm gonna lift this line by hitting this reflex. There it comes up. Right there.